In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add new users to HubSpot, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. HubSpot is a powerful tool that helps businesses manage their operations, and adding users is a fundamental task to ensure your team can collaborate effectively. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First, let's navigate to the HubSpot website. This is where it all begins. Open your preferred web browser and type in HubSpot's web address. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar interface. Moving on to our second point, you'll want to log in to your account. You'll find the login button conveniently located in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Now, HubSpot offers an easy way to sign in using Google. Simply click on Sign in with Google, select the account you'd like to use, and you're in. This method not only saves time, but also saves you from the hassle of remembering yet another password. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the settings of your HubSpot account. You can find this by locating the gear icon on the interface, which is a standard indicator for settings options. Clicking on this will open up a variety of settings options you can tweak, but for now, let's focus on users. To manage users, head over to the Users and Teams section. Our goal is to create a new user, so we'll continue by clicking on the Create User button. At this stage, you'll notice the interface guides you fairly intuitively. Now, we'll enter the email address of the new user you'd like to add. Make sure the email is correct. It's always a good idea to double-check to prevent any potential mishaps or miscommunications. After entering the email address, click Next to proceed. We've reached the point where you can set the seat assignment for your new user. Seat assignments are crucial because they determine the level of access and the features available to the user within HubSpot. Select the appropriate seat for the user's role in your organization. Once that's selected, click Next to continue. Finally, we're at the last step. Review the details one more time to make sure everything is accurately entered. Once you're certain everything is in order, go ahead and click on Create User. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new user to HubSpot. It's a straightforward process, but making sure each step is followed correctly ensures that your team can hit the ground running with minimal roadblocks. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy HubSpotting.